Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So I'm going to show you different ways of how I clean my brushes and the gadgets or the products that I use. So first of all, I use it specifically for doing your brushes, not for cooking. So you must buy one separate from the kitchen. So the other thing is this little thingy, this silicone rubbery thingy. This you can get in any retail store now, but I got this one from Fushini a few years back. It has different ranges of where you can brush your brush on, or you can use this. So this is an ordinary soap, so I prefer using a soap that is fragrant, so my brushes have some bit of like a scent that is very subtle for anyone, and then that is not going to be harsh on anyone's skin when I use it on clients. Or you can use a shampoo, since we know that brushes are hair, so this will also work as a cleanser, or any washing products like body washing products. So this is a bath and shower gel as well. Let's see, sorry. So you can also use this one. Season focus. Yeah, you can also use a shower gel to wash with. So I'm just going to show you different ways of how you can use the product. So I'm going to take this brush, just for like let it run for a few minutes until you get your hot water, not really hot but warm. So you take your brush, dip it, and you will see on your soap, as let me see if you hear, as you rub it, it will come off. I like making sure that my brushes are clean all the way, so I do that again and just squeeze out any makeup that might be lingering, and then you lay down on a paper towel. Then I want to show you another one. Okay, so now I'm going to use, this is just a yogurt container that we have at home that I use to wash my brushes with. So I'm just going to pour in some warm water, and then leave it there, and then place your surf right on top, like so, like the water is just right there at the brim. So what you're going to do is going to take your dirty brush, use whatever gel that you have at home. So what I do is just put it there and swirl it around inside, like so. So again with the shampoo, so what you're going to do is just squeeze it on the side of the hand, and then dab, and then bring over your gadget and then just swirl it around, just like you did on the surf. So you don't really have to apply this, really. You can just use your surf just sifter or your sieve, and then just play around with it. So if you have a bigger brush than this, really, this is just not going to work for you. Look at that. Perfect. Perfectly clean. So just going to rinse off the excess soap. Now for the big reveal of your clean brushes.